So good morning guys. So right now I'm going to Iloilo today. I'm gonna accompany my friend Kim and Kyle, and I have to go to the regional office to turn over some documents. And by the way, today is December 27. So I kind of feel sleepy right now because I woke up around 4 a.m. Wow, it's really dusty in here. So good morning guys, right now I'm here in Iloilo. I'm here with Kim. This is Kim. And this is Kyle, he's in front. So right now we're going to West Visayas, and then after that we're headed to PRC and then DNR, and after that we're free to go wherever we want. Now I'm here at SM, and we just finished PRC and DNR. So right now we're waiting for Joash to get here. He told me he was at Harrow, and wait, you gotta check this view right here. So Kim, dami mo ng view. Okay. So right now we're here at SM City Iloilo, the new part, because they added a new building, and right now this is their parking lot. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Jollibee there. Wag. Yeah. So right now we're here outside SM, and I'm here with my best friend Joash. Hi Meg. Yeah. So we're looking for a place to eat because it's already lunchtime. Saan ka makaon, Meg?
Ponchon, you know.
Sa Ponchon. And also we're waiting for Kyle because we don't know where he is right now. Kasano ka ng sin zone? Hindi ko bolsito.
Ha?
Sin zone. Kaya hindi ko bolsito.
Isa pa sa bata, hiloday. Ay, bigyan pa lang ba hiloday? Nagsabat?
What's friend?